Regardless of the size of your kitchen remodeling, it's the small details that can make the project successful. For example, the doorknobs and pulls can enhance the look of the entire kitchen, unless you have a situation like this. Here we have a stripped wooden doorknob, and the reason it pulls right off is that the hole has become enlarged from the screw that it's attached to. Fortunately, there's a really simple repair for this. Take a little wood glue and add it to the hole. You only need a couple of drops, not too much. You don't want it running down the face of the door. Wipe some in there, and then take a toothpick, snap it in half, and put it right into the hole. Now here I'm using round toothpicks, but if you only have flat toothpicks, they work just as well. Break them off cleanly with the back, and what you're effectively doing is just plugging up the hole with new wood. And then just force it back on to the screw and thread it on. Now if you can't hold the screw by hand, you have to use a screwdriver, but ordinarily you can just twist it on. And once it's on nice and tight, you can check it, and there you go. Good as new.